everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to use Lush's new products called Amazeballs. When I first saw them, I was intimidated. Honestly, I shouldn't have been. They're pretty easy to use. There's a couple different ways that you can go about using them. When I first saw these, I didn't know what was inside the Amazeball, and when you take off the little topper, it's actually a mixture of bubble bar and bath bomb dust. So this is definitely a luxury product, but the whole idea of it is you can use it in multiple baths, which I think is great. I'd recommend using it as 1 or 2 baths, but you can potentially get 4 uses out of it. Number 1 bath is taking the topper off, and that is a very tiny bath bomb, but if you are very low on money and you like having a little pop of color, that little topper actually is a very slow fizzing bath bomb. I don't recommend doing this. I recommend using the topper with one of the bath bomb halves. Bath number 2 is using the inside bath bomb dust slash bubble bar and just using the inside. And then with that outside shell, you can actually cut that in half. If you see the seam along the Amazeball, you'll see that you can pretty much easily cut it in half and then get another 2 uses. For today's video, I used the whole thing, so that's what I'm gonna be showing you guys today. The Amazeball that I'm using in today's video is called the Holly Go Lightly one, which I really love. I've talked about it a couple times already. So step number 1 is emptying out the Amazeball. You're just gonna shake it out into your bathtub. Be aware that some of it can stick to the bottom of the bath bomb. I live in a pretty humid area, so I was kind of aware that this could happen. If you live in a drier area, I doubt that it will, but I'd still check anyway. Some was still left at the bottom, so I just used my finger and kind of scraped it out and then dumped the rest into my dry bathtub. You're gonna see that some of it is really dusty, some of it is chunkier. There might be some like little crystal pieces in there. I just kind of acted like it was a regular bubble bar, so I just shook around my bath until lots of bubbles formed, and then I let the rest of the bath fill up. Now, I will say that this gave off a decent amount of bubbles. It wasn't a whole lot. I tend to like a lot of bubbles. This didn't give the most, but it gave a wonderful vibrant color and a decent amount of bubbles. So I don't know. So you could stop here, just use the inside of it if that's how you felt, or even like pop in the little topper, and that would be an amazing bath on its own. I decided to put the entire shell of the Amazeball into the bath, including the topper. It was different than any other bath bomb I've ever had because obviously the water goes into the inside, which I thought was really cool. And yeah, it's as simple as that. It just kind of disintegrated. It was really beautiful. It smelled amazing. My bath actually didn't have that much silver glitter in it that I could see. I love glitter. I picked out this Amazeball because I really liked the glitter on it as well as the scent and everything. So that was a little bit of a disappointment, but other than that, I was really happy with this particular Amazeball. It scented the entire room wonderfully, even just with the bubble bar portion. That's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope that it was straightforward and easy to follow. I missed 1 week of Lush videos because I went to see my sister having her baby. If you want to see that video, I posted it last week. I know I don't usually post non-Lush related videos, but I thought it was a good one, so I thought I would post it to my YouTube channel. So I hope you guys like that. I will see you guys all very soon. Have a great day, and that's it. Bye.